Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. And by the way, shout out po kay Sir Jonas. Sir Jonas of Batangas, sir. Welcome. This is your unit, the Glock 17 Gen 3 by WE Airsoft. This is Airsoft gas blowback pistol. May kasama na po siyang bala, 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots. At saka yung green gas. Ito po ay green gas. Okay, green gas power up Pop Dino number 14. Okay, at ito yung box WE 17 Gen 3. This is two-tone. Ito yung magazine, 24 rounder capacity magazine. At ito yung unit. Two-tone po siya, tan frame, black slide. Ayan. Gen 3. Okay. So, sa slide, meron siyang markings na 17 tactical. Ayan. 17 tactical na 9x19. Made in Taiwan sticker. Ayan, sticker lang po yan. Okay. So, pwede siyang lagyan ng flashlight. Pwede rin siyang lagyan ng tracer units kasi meron yan thread. So, yung kanyang barrel, may thread po yan. Ayan. O, may thread po yung kanyang barrel. Ayan. This is Gen 3. Glock 17 Gen 3. Okay. Unit ni Sir Jonas. Ayan. WE brand po siya. Made in Taiwan. Okay. So, ngayon, lalagyan natin siya ng gas. Sir, upside down po ang paglalagay ng gas. Upside down. Then, press. Okay. Lagyan natin ng bibis. Okay, Sir Jonas, Batangas, sir, your Glock 17 Gen 3. So, ngayon, tetestingin natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, again, Glock 17 Gen 3 by WE, two-tone. So, two-tones po, tan frame, black slide. Okay, testing. Firing. Wow. Lakas ah. 374.5. So, I'm using the number 14. Okay, so number 14. Pagka number 12 ang gamit natin, siguro nasa more or less mga 350 to 360 siya. EPS. So, medyo malakas po ang 14. Okay, 374.5. Okay, one more. Okay, bumaba siya ng konti. 369.3. Yan. Pero malakas pa rin. 369.3. 352.6. Okay, and last one. 367.0. Lumakas ah. Okay, so again, I'm using the number 14 green gas or the power up. Okay, so number 14 po yung gamit natin na green gas na nilagay. And then, open chamber. Okay, open chamber na siya. Release mo lang yung magazine, sir. Hatakin mo lang yung slide. Then, release. Okay, drop the slide by releasing the slide. Okay? So, wag niyo siyang gagamitin yung slide stop para hindi mapudpod yung notch. Okay? So, load tayo ulit. Shooting test tayo ulit. Okay, Sir Jonas, Batangas. Testing po tayo, sir, ng inyong unit Glock 17 Gen 3 by WE. Made in Taiwan po siya. Two-tone, tan frame, black slide. Okay? Firing. Okay, ubusin natin yung bala. Okay, open chamber. Release the magazine. Pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Jonas, okay na po ang inyong unit, sir. Glock 17 Gen 3 by WE. Kung may question po regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.